Hello crafty friends, you're watching Cardz TV. This is Mary, and I've got a brand new Cardz TV Kitten Kaboodle sketch for you today. And as you can see, I've got all the measurements on here for you. And you can go to my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com, and go ahead and download this sketch. This is number 26. There's 26 there now. If you haven't gotten any of them, go ahead, download them to your computer, wherever you keep your photographs or your other sketches or digital stamps, and just save them, and they're free to download and free to use whenever you'd like. So this is our new one, and like always when we do a kitten caboodle, that means we've gone ahead and cut all our pieces out and made up some kits and put them in an envelope. So when we need a card, we just pull everything out of that envelope. It's already cut, stamped, ready to go, and all we have to do is put it together. So we look right here. Our card base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's folded on the side. And I'm just going to go ahead and get these background pieces first. We've got some chocolate brown cardstock, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, because I always like to matte. When I have a lot of pastels, I like to put a darker color in there to anchor it because of the light pastel colors. So I did cut this one at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. But this cute little multicolored plaid mat is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to use some art glitter glue and get these adhered to the front of my card base. Okay, there's our pretty colorful card base. Now if we look at the sketch, right down here we've got 4 squares, and these are cut at 1 inch each. Then we have a border that's 2 by 4 and a circle that's 2 by 5. Well, in order to get these to line up correctly, I'm going to put my 4 little squares right down here first. And all I did was take a 1 inch square punch and went through my scraps and picked out some colors to match my background paper. Now, that's what I like about this, because you can use a punch, or you can use your Cricut and cut out some 1 inch squares, or just cut them on your trimmer. But it's a good way to use up your stash and your scraps. So see, those match. I'm going to take my art glitter glue and get these little squares adhered to the bottom. There are all my little squares down there, and they match the colors in my pattern paper. Now I've got a border here that's 2 by 4. That's this one. But it was kind of getting lost here on the pattern paper, so I took some more of that chocolate brown and I cut this at 2 1/4 by 4. I'm going to put this on top of that, and then you'll see how that helps that stand out from that busy background in those little blocks. So we'll get this adhered together and get this on the front, just like in the sketch. This is a very colorful little birthday card, and I was down to 2 birthday cards in my stash, so I really needed to make some. Now for my circle, I show a 2 1/2 inch circle. You can use any size circle you want, or you can use a square or a rectangle. It's all up to you guys. But I had this 2 1/2 inch stitch circle die, so I cut that out in white. And I have a cute little ice cream cone, and that's from the Cardz TV Just Chillin' stamp set, and here it is right there. I wanted a chocolate ice cream cone, so for the top I used Memento Rich Cocoa and stamped that, and then for the cone I used Memento Cantaloupe ink, and I cut them out and then adhered them together so that they would fit on here. And I've got that popped up on some foam tape as well as my circle. And for my sentiment, that also came from this set, I've got Have a Cool Birthday, and I stamped that in Memento Tuxedo Black. So I'm going to go ahead and get my circle adhered down. and then get my ice cream cone on there. And then I'm going to go find some enamel dots to put here and here just to help this pop a little bit. Okay guys, here's my finished birthday card using Cardz TV Card Kit and Kaboodle sketch number 26. Just run over to my blog cardstv.blogspot.com and pick this one up. Didn't that turn out cute? I love all the patterns and the colors. It just looks so much like summer fun, especially that chocolate ice cream cone. And if you're interested in the Cardz TV Just Chillin' stamp set, for a limited time while supplies last, this is on sale for $9.99 with free shipping and handling, guys. So scoot on over and pick this up if you're interested in it. It's got some really cute sayings on here. Chillax, just chillin', chill out, have a cool birthday, which we used today. You warm my heart, you're so cool, you give me chills, and have an ice day. And because it has the ice cream cone and a penguin, you can use this in summer or winter. So it does double duty. So there we go, guys. Now, I really appreciate you coming by today. I hope you've enjoyed this. And as always, if you're not a subscriber to Cardz TV, I hope you'll hit the icon that's going to pop up here in just a minute and tap that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I've got links to 2 more videos you might be interested in. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you all so very much. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.